Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am filming a singles cruise challenge, get ready with me type of a video. I have a kind of new setup going on. Haven't filmed in a while, so it's kind of weird coming back and filming and everything. So, I don't know, it's been like 6 months or so, but I felt like coming back and I felt like this is a good way to get started. This ugly piece of crap on my face. It is the time of the month for that. So anyway, I got all my singles in here and I'm going to draw randomly, and it's clear. I will look away. It's even broken, like there's a big hole in the side. And I will see what I come up with. I'll probably use like a palette, like the Shade and Light palette or something with it. Okay, so first of all, I'm drawing 5 and I will use 3 of the shadows. That's how I like to do it. Gives me more options, but still kind of following the singles cruise challenge rules. If I get 5 shadows that I totally think I could use, I'll use all 5, but you know. Anyway, so here is the first one. I have Star Crushed Minerals number 23, Starry Night, which is a really sparkly gunmetal gray. The next one I have is a little slip of paper, which my Makeup Geek eyeshadows don't fit in these clamshells, but it is Makeup Geek's Mai Tai, which is Mai Tai by Makeup Geek. It is Colourpop's DGAF. Mine's a little screwed up. This one's got that like pink base with like gold Duo Chrome-ness. The next one is Broad by Beauty Bar Baby, which is the red with gold. I picked out Shameless by Colourpop, which is the black with like green, blue, yellow, all kinds of fun like shimmers throughout. I think I'm going to use DGAF, Starry Night, and Mai Tai. First going to use my eye primer by Essence on my lids. Zoom in a tiny bit. Okay, I'm gonna take first Laetus. I think this is Succubus here. Okay. Going in with Starry Night now. A tiny bit of black, which is Shax from the Shade and Light palette. Do my face and be back. Okay, for liner I'm gonna use Colourpop's Get Paid in the waterline. And use Clinique's pretty easy liquid eyelining pen. Black liner on this, or black eyeshadow on this eyeliner brush, and kind of create a wing shadow, if you will. I like it to just kind of blend in with the bottom row. Waterline? I don't know. But here are the eyes. This eye kind of got screwed up with my liner. I got scary eyebrows, don't I? They're just all the time. I am going to use the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in Dramatic, oh never mind, in Crystal Hip is the white one. And I'm going to use this pure fully charged mascara. Okay, so here is the finished look for my singles cruise challenge. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm keeping the ears on. Well, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that you like and subscribe. Also want to mention, please check out YesOhYas subscription box. I do have an affiliate link in my description box below. Please check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.